Welcome to our video comparison of MetaMask and Trust Wallet, two popular Ethereum wallets. In this video, we'll take a look at the features, security, usability of each wallet. We also compare the two side by side to help you decide which one is the best fit your needs. MetaMask MetaMask is a browser extension that allows you to interact with dApps directly from your browser. It's available for Chrome and Firefox. With MetaMask, you can easily manage your Ethereum and ERC20 tokens as well as interact with dApps like Uniswap and Aave. One of the biggest advantage of MetaMask is easy of use. It's simple to set up and navigate, making it a great option for beginners. Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is a mobile wallet available for iOS and Android. It's designed to be simple and friendly user while still providing advanced security features like MetaMask. It supports Ethereum and ERC20 token and also enable user to interact with dApps. Trust Wallet also has built-in support for staking, allowing users to earn rewards for holding certain tokens. Additionally, Trust Wallet is open source, which means the code is available for anyone to review and audit. Comparison. When it comes to usability, both MetaMask and Trust Wallet are easy to use and navigate. However, MetaMask browser extension may be more convenient for those who frequently use dApps on their desktop, while Trust Wallet mobile app may be more convenient for those on the go. In terms of security, both wallet offer solid protection for your assets. In terms of features, Trust Wallet offer more options than MetaMask, such as built-in support for staking. Additionally, Trust Wallet is an open source code allowed for greater transparency and security. Conclusion. Both MetaMask and Trust Wallet are great options for Ethereum and ERC20 token storage and management. The choice ultimately comes down to your personal preference and what features are important to you. MetaMask is a good option for those who frequently use dApps on their desktop, while Trust Wallet is a good option for those who want a mobile wallet with advanced security features. Both are considered to be very secure. Please like the video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell. Thank you guys. See you on the next video.